Hello, I'm Andy. Do you know SAVOX is not only doing the servo, we also doing the all-rounder model. Here is our all-rounder model. Okay, let's talk about the all-rounder motor. So SAVOX starter all-rounder motor start with a helicopter. So whole level of helicopter we do have the suitable all-rounder motors. And right now the all-rounder motor is getting famous and famous in the drone and UAV. And especially right now because of a war from the Ukraine and Russia. So we create a demand that the world need a all-rounder motor from outside of China. So right now, we are the team of Taiwan. If you need any all-rounder motor, please feel free to contact with SAVOX. We can produce, design the all-rounder model for your drone or UAV. Thank you.